guys, welcome to my channel. I've never invested ever in the stock market. I've never really invested other than like say my education. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to be using the Wealthsimple app on my phone here. I will screen record everything so that you're seeing what I'm doing. So I already put $1,000 in my personal account through Wealthsimple. It takes 3 days for it to trade into or transfer in so that you can do your trades. You have to wait the 3 days. But it is available. I have available to trade $1,000 in my personal. I also have $500 available in my tax-free savings account. So my TFSA has $500. So I'm going to be doing trading in both accounts today. So I have $1,000 available to trade in my personal account. And if you look at my watch list, I'll just go through my watch list here. So I'm looking at Horizons Marijuana Life Sciences Index. It's an ETF. So I'll be doing those. An ETF means exchange traded fund. So you can either look on this app here, the Wealthsimple app, or you can, Yahoo Finance is up to date, like immediately it's live, but the Wealthsimple app is 15 minutes behind. So you just got to remember to go check and see what it's actually live at for when you go to place, like when you go to buy. So I'm interested in a few different ones. I have 4 down here. I'm not sure what all I'm going to invest in today. You're going to come along with me to do this. So this one's a BMO Canadian High Dividend Covered Call ETF. The yield you'll see there is 8%, 8.03%. That's like one of the best you can ever get for dividend stocks. So like the bank gives you not even like, it's like 1% if that. So this is the best place to put your money. So I showed you the BMO one. This one here, Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield. That one's another ETF, so I'm interested in that one. That one yields 4.76. This one is a real estate investment trust, a REIT. I'm interested in this one. It pays 8.6%, which is very high. These are all Canadian companies or Canadian index funds. This one here I'm really interested in. It's 4.69%. So I'm excited to invest in these. I think I'm going to invest in all 4 of these today, so you'll get to see me do that. I've never done this before. Hopefully I do it right. You're along for the ride. So I'm just going to pause this because I can hear my kids screaming outside. I made them go outside. I'm just going to go check on them quick. I might have to cut this out. You can hear that in the background. Working from home with kids, eh? It's lovely. All right, so yeah, I don't know. I've been watching and learning a lot about the stock market for the last like month now. Found this one guy on YouTube. His name's Graham Stephan. So once I found him on there, he has 3 different YouTube channels. It just was like I fell down a rabbit hole. I started learning everything finance in the last month. I followed so many people from his iced coffee hour podcast, and it's changed my life. Even my husband, he's gotten a lower interest rate. He called the bank for a mortgage. It's just unreal what has happened in the last month. It's pretty cool. So that's what's gotten me on this. I want to start investing. I have a small business and I'm an entrepreneur, so I'm not working for anybody and I don't have anybody saving for my retirement, so I need to do that. So this is how I'm going to do that. So let's get started. Let's spend some money and make some money. So let's start with this one. That's 8. This one is 4. This one here. I'm gonna have to get a mic too. Like, this is one of my, I'm only just started on YouTube, so bear with me here if you can't hear me. I'll try to speak loudly, but I need to get a mic on me for sure. So 8.6. So this one I'm going to do, this real estate investment one, I'm going to do in my tax-free savings account. So this one here, yep. I'm going to buy this one in my tax-free savings account. I'm going to buy how many shares? How many shares can I do here? Let's go 50. Should I do that? Yeah, let's go 50 shares in that. Okay. Order sent, market buy of 50 shares of INO.UN. Total estimated cost of $458 Canadian. That's done. That was pretty cool. So there's $19 left to trade in my savings. Cool. Cool. Okay, so let's switch over to my personal account and get some things going in here. Let's do some trading. So I'm really interested in this one. This one's HMMJ, yield 4.69. I'm going to buy this with my personal account. How many shares of this do I want? Let's see, maybe 100? Oh no, I can't do that many, sorry. Let's go, let's see how much 35 shares is. Yeah, let's see what 40 is. This is pretty cool that it adjusts it and lets me see. So I think I'm gonna do, let's go with the 35 shares in HMMJ from my personal account. So estimated cost is $490.70. So confirm purchase. I'm going to confirm that purchase. Order sent. Total estimated cost $490.70. I'm done with that one, which is, like, this is just so cool. Okay, so then I really like the look of, so this one is just 4 point, it's like, that's great, 5% is great, but this one's 8%, so I'm going to buy in at this one. Let's see what 25 is for this one. No, let's go, because I want to buy into that other one, so let's go 15. Yeah, let's go 15 shares in the BMO, Canadian High Dividend. So it's an ETF. All of these are ETFs except for the one REIT. The REIT I put into, let's read that later. Order sent. So the 15 shares of Z or Z, depends on where you are. I'm in Canada. ZWC is $246.60, so that's done. And then we're gonna go and do this one here. This one's more expensive, which that's alright, because I really want to buy into this one too. So 255.30 left. So let's see how many shares we can get with that. I think it'd be around, what, 8? No, 7? Yep. Okay, so I'm going to do 7 shares of VDY. It's a Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Index ETF. Cost is $236. So the order's been sent. Market buy of 7 shares of VDY. Total estimated cost of $236.74. That is done. So I have like 18 bucks left in there. We'll see what it all closes at the end of the day. Pretty excited. That was pretty cool, guys. Wow. I now have a portfolio, a stock market portfolio. This is huge. I can't wait to break the cycle and show my kids a different way. This is exciting, very exciting. Stock markets close in 1 hour and 53 minutes. Very, very fun. I don't know if you guys enjoyed it, but I enjoyed it. If you can guess what's in this cup, answer in the comments below what you think's in here. And if you get it right, depends, I don't even know. I don't even care how many comments, but I'll give you all a shout out if you get it right. Anybody that gets it right in the comments below, you got to get it right. And I will give you a shout out in my next video on finance, of course. I do lots of different topics, so my next finance video, which I'm planning on doing a lot. I can't wait to share more. Subscribe. I plan on doing lots more trading. Thanks so much for joining me, guys.